5 must-have managed IT support services for manufacturers. Manufacturing is a complex and competitive industry that requires constant innovation, efficiency, and quality. To achieve these goals, manufacturers need reliable and secure IT systems that can support their operations, data, and communication. However, operating IT infrastructure and benefits can be challenging and costly for manufacturers, especially when they have to deal with issues such as cybersecurity, compliance, scalability, and integration. That's why many manufacturers are turning to managed IT support services, which are outsourced IT solutions that provide proactive and comprehensive IT management, maintenance, and support. Managed IT support services can help manufacturers reduce IT costs, improve IT performance, and focus on their core business. Here are 5 must-have managed IT support services for manufacturers and how they can benefit your manufacturing business. Network management and security. A robust and secure network is essential for any manufacturing business, as it connects all the devices, machines, and systems that are involved in the production process. Cloud computing services. Cloud computing offers many benefits for manufacturers, such as scalability, flexibility, accessibility, and cost efficiency. Disaster recovery and business continuity. A managed IT service provider can help manufacturers prepare for and recover from any disaster by providing comprehensive data backup and restoration, as well as business continuity planning and testing. IT consulting services. A managed IT service provider can help manufacturers with their IT strategy and planning by providing expert advice, guidance, and recommendations on how to leverage the latest technologies and best practices to achieve their goals and objectives. They can also provide specialized services, such as VCO, Virtual Chief Information Officer, and VCSO, Virtual Chief Information Security Officer, to help manufacturers with their IT leadership and governance. Help desk and end-user support. A managed IT service provider can help manufacturers with their help desk and end-user support by providing 24/7 assistance, training, and troubleshooting to their staff and customers, as well as resolving any IT issues or requests that may arise. Consilian is a leading managed IT services provider that specializes in the manufacturing industry and has many years of experience and expertise in providing IT solutions for manufacturers. Visit our website to learn more: www.consilian.com.